AI sa film industry. How would you face it head on?
Yesterday, I watched a film, and the director was very proud in telling me that the story was a product of AI. So I was really surprised, no? Because we have enormous talents. We, the Filipinos, should create our own story based on our history, the richness of our culture, our tradition, and our national identity. We should create more stories. Kasi po, and now in the advent of the best casting director in Oscars, I am at awe at how we writers, are being forced by producers to write based on the talent. I mean, I was also asked to write a script based on a star. And I remember Jake Tordesillas telling us that when he wrote Tagos ng Dugo, it was really written for Vilma Santos. And because they want to tailor the script to a particular star. And mind you, up to now, that is happening in Philippine showbiz industry. That we're still writing for Coco Martin, we're still writing for Catherine Bernardo, etc. And that, I guess, is the, ang sakit nun para sa isang storyteller. And I am truly proud that all of you are here enjoying the film kahit wala po kaming malaking artista. Kaya sa palagay ko po, hindi po dapat muna tayong magtiwala sa AI sapagkat ang makina po walang puso. Tayo po ay nilikha ng Panginoon na may puso at may kaluluwa.
Ayan, good evening to the Coco Press. O, may press ka.
Kung pang nagtanong, di syempre pag-uhubad na naman yung itatanong mo.
Hindi, full sum.
Okay, very good.
Kasi in fairness, ang cast mo, puro Phil Stagers talents. Si Sarah naman, lagi rin gumagawa sa'yo, di ba? Nagdagdag ka ng hindi, si Mercedes. Ang dami ng magagaling na artista. Although, pero magaling naman si Mercedes, di ba? So, why Mercedes ang napili mo bilang si Yaya Midi at ayaw mo siya maging korinto?
No, I was able to watch Oro. That was a couple of years ago, and there was a breakdown scene ni Mercedes. And I told you, di ba, I've been doing this on stage. Sabi ko, kung pelikula to, si Mercedes lang yung choice. So, kinuha namin si Mercedes, and I was also surprised that Mercedes has a specific twang. Parang Inglesera siya eh. So medyo nahirapan siya nung nag-shoot kami kasi tawag niya sa akin, senior. So sabi ko, i-roll mo yung arm mo. And I truly believe that is also the purpose of a director, not only to direct one particular film, but to become transformative, to teach. We are also teachers as directors. We are not only filmmakers, we are not only artists, we should also educate and teach.
Yes. Thank you, Direk. Congratulations. Ang gagaling nyong lahat, di ba? Ang tawag na ansam acting ba yun?
Yes.
O yun, ansam o ensemble, whatever. Congratulations, Direk. Yan. At sana panoorin yung pelikula. Si Sarah yun lang ang role, pero markado in fairness sa'yo, ha? O, di ba? Congrats, Direk po.
Sa likod